Today, we will continue the series of tutorials on solving internet problems. In this video, we will explain how to fix the problem of the Wi-Fi disappearing. You will find all the links to the previous tutorial videos in the description. This problem appears when you press on the network icon from the taskbar and it does not show Wi-Fi, meaning Wi-Fi is not available on the device. Before we start explaining the solution, I hope you give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. In the first steps of solving the problem, there are three very important commands that must be enabled with the correct settings so that Wi-Fi can work, because these settings may change automatically. You should watch the explanation until the end. The first step. You will search here in the search box in the Start menu for the command Services. After that, click on it. This window will appear. Here you will search for a command called WLAN AutoConfig. Scroll down and you will find it at the bottom. This is the command, WLAN AutoConfig. Double-click on it. Then you must make sure that in the Startup Type field, it is set to Automatic. If it is set to any other option like Manual, change it to Automatic. Then press Start. Then Apply, and then OK. If you open it and find that Start Type is already automatic, leave it as is. But if it is any other option, change it to Automatic. With this first step, we have checked WLAN. To make sure, we will do the second step. We will search for the command System Configuration. This is the command. Then we will right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This window will open. Go to General, then to Services like this. Now all these services must be enabled, meaning they must be active and not disabled. So I will press the option Disable All, then press again on Enable. After this step, I have ensured that all these services in the system are running or enabled. Then I will press OK. Now it is necessary to restart the device, and most likely the problem will be solved. But if the problem continues, we move to the third and final step. In this case, the device's Wi-Fi driver may be disabled in the drivers. This step will enable Wi-Fi 100%. Right-click on this PC. If you are using Windows 7, it will be called My Computer. Then choose Expand. And after that, select Device Manager. Now click on Network. It will show several drivers. The driver that we need will be called Wi-Fi or wireless, and usually it carries the name of the device manufacturer. The first driver here is called Intel Wi-Fi. Select it with one click, then right-click on it and choose the last option, Properties. If we read what is written in device status, it says, this device is disabled, which means this driver or adapter is not enabled. In this case, we click on Enable Device, like this. A confirmation message will appear asking if we want to enable this device or driver. Then click Next, and after that, click Finish. A message will appear saying Windows successfully enabled this device. With that, the problem is solved 100%. Now, I will go back again to the network icon in the taskbar and check. Wi-Fi is now open, and the Wi-Fi option has become fully enabled. Now, what caused the Wi-Fi drivers or services to become disabled? This usually happens because of installing programs or add-ons on the device, or because of updates that disabled the network. And with that, we have solved the problem of Wi-Fi disappearing. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. And just to note, there are several tutorials on the channel about solving internet connection problems. If you want to check them out, I will leave their links in the description.